when no one's watching, dude, when I have nothing going on, when no one's watching, I have no table, I have no access, I have no status, no one knows who I am, I'm still going to run game. Does that make sense? If I go to a new city, new country, the first thing I'm gonna do is go leave the house and go meet girls, jump on Tinder, get girls. I'm gonna go out and pimp it. You guys understand what I'm saying? Make sense? First thing I'll do when I'm in a new city is go try to make guy friends, so I can have someone to bounce ideas off of and have fun with. Second thing I'm gonna do is use a Tinder super boost or whatever the fuck. And I'll do that while I'm at the bar, while I'm at the club, hitting on bitches, okay? Dude, put me in any city, in any country, within a week, I'm gonna build a social circle there. I'm gonna build a social circle there super quick. Super, 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 super quick. So because of that, I've got friends all over the world, okay? But it doesn't come from being reactive, it comes from being proactive. Say it with me, be proactive.
Be proactive.
You gotta be able to do it when no one's there to tell you to do it. You gotta see a hot girl and be like, oh fuck, go talk to that girl. Shit, there's a hot girl. Fuck, no one's gonna see me do it, so I might as well not do it. No, shut the fuck up. You walk up, you're like, oh my God, I love your outfit. Holy shit, where the fuck are you from? Damn, you're cute. Sorry, I hope I'm not interrupting you. Nice to meet you. I'm Justin. Make sense? Gotta be proactive, not reactive. If you're just a pussy bitch, just take it. You guys got like 4 dudes instructing you, not fucking one. There's like one coach for 2 guys here. But you're never gonna have a setup like this. You're never gonna have this level of access. It's not gonna get easier than this. So don't rely on us too much. Don't rely on us too much. Because if you wanna go back to fucking Colorado or Miami or New York or the middle of fucking nowhere or wherever the fuck, no one's gonna force you to do it. No one's gonna force you to meet women. No one's gonna force you to pimp it. You have to force yourself. You have to put the pressure on yourself to get the results. No one's gonna make you do it. So I wake up. When I'm in business mode, so I go through like immersion periods of like making money, because I know I'm gonna meet like quotas, you know, hit sales targets, right? Just like as a personal challenge. Like I don't need to, but like, just why not? Or like whatever, just content, so like certain amount of content, whatever. Do you think when I wake up in my living room, there's no one here, and I bust up the camera, I film, talking to a video, no one's here to watch me do it? Do you think I'm giving a fuck what anyone thinks? Do you think I'm doing it because someone told me to do it? No, I'm doing it because I gotta do what I gotta do. As a man, your duty is to perform. As a man, say with me, as a man, your duty is to perform. Let me ask you a question. In your professional work, do you have to do your job whether or not they tell you to do it? Yes or no? Yes. If your boss is sick in the hospital, your employer, whoever you're doing business with, you know, do you have to do it? Yes or no? Yes. Your clients in your business, whether or not they tell you what they want, do you have to perform and bring value to their lives?
For sure.
100%, right? So wouldn't it make sense that you have to do that in your own life? You have to show up and perform? Yes or no?
Yep. Yes.
I have days where I wake up, I'm like, I'm not eating until I make like, you know, 10 grand today. You know, make sense? Like I'm not gonna eat until I shoot like 3 pieces of content today, or like whatever the day is, whatever the productivity thing is. I'm not gonna eat until boom. Sometimes I don't have breakfast till like 11 p.m. I swear to God. I have like just a giant fucking 3,000 calorie meal in one sitting. Yesterday, that was me yesterday. I had a weight gainer shake, it was like 900 calories, and I had a giant pizza all to myself. Like boom, calories for the day done, one sitting. You know what I mean? After, I'm like, cool. I'm not eating until I coach you guys. I haven't eaten today yet. You guys understand what I'm saying? Does it make sense to you? I reward myself when I find myself performing and getting results, taking the right actions that would get the right results, right? What I will do, if I'm pulling bitches, because if you're too hungry, because of Maslow's hierarchy, you guys ever know what Maslow's hierarchy of needs is? No. Maslow's hierarchy of needs is a psychological pyramid of like, your first level of needs is like physical needs, like food, shelter, water, safety. So if you're like really tired, it's harder to pull. Like you're not thinking, how do you get my dick sucked? You know what I'm saying? That's why you need your 8 hours of sleep in order to pull effectively. So make sure you get your 8 hours, even though we're gonna go hard as fuck, 12 to 16 hour days over the next 3 days. Try your best. I've been trying so hard to get the 8 hours. I'm getting like 6 hours, 7 hours. Some boot camps, dude, I got like 2 hours of sleep. The first day of boot camp here, dude, I got like 90 minutes of sleep. It was fucked.
4 hours every night.
Yeah. So like I'm gonna say like after tonight, like try to get sleep.
Gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. My name is Justin Marc, international dating coach, relationship expert, and VIP lifestyle development coach. I've been teaching dating, soul skills, and Daygame for 10 years in 50 plus countries, 6 continents, to thousands of guys in person just like you. And I love teaching guys this stuff. So if you like this video, please make sure to do me a favor and leave a thumbs up on this video. I really do appreciate that. Now, if you want to follow me more closely, you can go ahead and follow me on my new Instagram, DrunkJustin2, and watch my daily Instagram stories where I'm always partying with hot girls, girls doing exclusive events, crazy shit on my daily Instagram stories. Make sure to follow me there. You can see me traveling around the world in real time, doing amazing things, and teaching guys like you in person every day on my Instagram. And you can message me on my Instagram as well. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram and message me there. And if you want to actually call me, you can call me at justinmark.com. We'll do free consultation calls. You can actually call me and we'll do a free discovery call where we can get you on the right action plan to change your dating life and your social life at justinmark.com. And if you guys want to dig deeper and watch more of our more exclusive content, go to wingmanpodcast.com and watch our Wingman podcast on Spotify, Apple, and all platforms. And we'll see you guys very soon in a new video. My name is Justin Mark, and I'll talk to you very soon. Peace out.